so calm, so nice, so refreshing. Spend all day here. Good morning. It is our second day here in Trincomalee, and we decided to rent a motorbike because we're gonna hit up a few different beaches today. Motorbike rentals, the average going rate is $1,500.
We could have taken a tuk-tuk, and that seems to be the common method of transportation, but to be honest, the prices that we were quoted, just to give you a ballpark idea, to get down to Marble Beach was 1,000 each way, so 2,000, and to get up to Nilaveli was 600 rupees each way. Now I probably could have negotiated a little bit more, but that was just kind of the number that they threw out. So all in all, it was around like 3,000 rupees. So for half of that cost, we're able to get around and visit as many beaches as we want on our own.
We're on our way right now to Marble Beach, and then later in the afternoon, we're gonna check out Nilaveli.
So after about a half an hour drive through the city into the countryside, we are here in Marble Beach. Now a lot of people ask us what kind of license we need to drive around in foreign countries. To be honest with you, we have standard driver's license from the US. I also have a motorcycle endorsement on my license, but we carry an international driver's license just to avoid hassles and headaches. It's only 20 bucks, and I think it lasts like a year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting to Marble Beach, you're gonna pass by an Air Force entrance. They do charge to come here. It's 20 rupees per person, plus an additional 20 rupees to park your car or motorbike here.
It's for the maintenance of the beach, and we're walking up on it right now, and this thing looks pristine.
Give the beach a go. The sand's a little bit hot.
Really toasty.
And the water is absolutely transparent. It's beautiful. Okay, so that was it, Marble Beach. As you saw, the water was super transparent, crystal clear, awesome beach to just kind of come, hang out, relax, and it's a really locals experience.
Yeah, so the best time that we've read to come here is from 9 to 1. It will be the least crowded then. After that, a bunch of the school kids end up coming, but personally, we're here in the afternoon, and it's really enjoyable to be here when all of the kids are here playing in the water.
So put this on your list if you want a very nice, chill beach. There's bathrooms out here, and there's also a little concession area where you can get snacks and things like that. And there happens to be a hotel, so if you would like to stay here, you can do that. There's actually a set of rocks out here where if you bring some goggles and a snorkel, you can see some of the marine life. Bring lots of water, bring lots of sunscreen, and bring some snorkel equipment so you can take advantage of the beach. Now it's already 2 p.m. We're running a little bit late, so we're gonna try to make a run up to the opposite side of here, which is a beach called Nilaveli. So I've seen these things everywhere. I'm not really sure what they are. The first time I saw it, it was wrapped up, and I asked the person that was selling them, I said, what are these for? And they said to eat them. So I have no idea what it's called. I hardly have an idea of what goes inside of it. Other than that, I know that this is a clove, and that's about it. But here we are in Sri Lanka trying new things out. You fold it?
Yeah.
So we finally figured it out. This is the red stuff that we see that's everybody's chewing in their mouth and spitting on the ground. This is basically Sri Lankan chewing tobacco. There's this nut in it, there's a clove, and this stuff, I should have known by the smell of it, is tobacco leaf. So it's essentially like dipping and spitting, except your spit's red. Very earthy, very pungent, very extremely flavorful. overloading sensation of flavors in my mouth. I'm spitting everything out. This is getting ugly. It honestly tastes like a huge ass can of potpourri in my mouth. I don't know if that's good or bad. Would I recommend it? Probably not. Am I glad I did it? A little bit.
So Nilaveli is located 10 kilometers up the coast north from UBUD, which is what we showed you yesterday, and that's where we're staying. Rumor has it that this beach is significantly more secluded and has more of that paradise type feeling, so we'll see if it holds true. Overall, this beach is significantly more isolated. It has more of that kind of lost in paradise feel than UBUD.
There's a few restaurants you can hit, and the overall vibe of this place is if you're looking to do a boat tour, this is where you're gonna wanna do it. There's tons of boats lined up. You're at a perfect vantage point for Pigeon Island and Coral Island, as they call it. We're not gonna go because we've talked to some people around here, and they said that most of the coral is bleached out and still dead. I think in the 2004 tsunami, it wiped out most of it. So the takeaway here is if you come to this beach, maybe in the next 3 to 5 years, hopefully the corals will be in a state of repair and it'll be once again vibrant.
If you're interested in doing a boat tour to Pigeon Island, the boats do leave from Nilaveli and UBUD. The price is a little bit cheaper from Nilaveli since it is closer to Pigeon Island itself. The tour lasts around 2 to 3 hours, depending on how long you spend out there. Something else that you can do here too is whale watching. Unfortunately, we're not in the season right now where we are to see them on this side of the island. So we're gonna try to catch them when we head down south, closer to Marissa and the southern beaches. Overall, from all of the beaches that we went to, Marble Beach has the calmest water, UBUD probably has the most to offer, and Nilaveli has a little bit rougher water, but the beach is larger. So if you have the time, hit up all of them.
These beaches are absolutely stunning and well worth the long journey to come up to the northeast part of Sri Lanka. But now we're hungry and we need to show you the best spot for food here in Trincomalee. All right, we told you we were gonna show you some food options around the area, and we're at the best restaurant in all of UBUD, hands down. We've tried other places, they don't come close. We're at this restaurant called REA, or R-E-A, Beach Restaurant, and not only is the food banging, but the guy that owns it is super cool. Our favorite things to get here are, actually the only things that we've ever gotten here, are the grilled jackfish and the veg curry. And trust me, the flavors are all there. You need to make this a stop when you're here in the area. Okay, it's a brand new day, and we're headed now
to Kandy.
Should be quite the adventure. We're not really sure how we're gonna get there. We know we wanna take a bus. Most likely end up being a city bus or public bus. Fares are much cheaper on those versus a private van. So we're gonna head down to the Trincomalee town center and see what we can do. And just so you know, average going rates for tuk-tuks from Nilaveli down to Trincomalee are around 300 rupee. Try not to pay any more than that.
There is a public bus that runs down, but it comes only about every hour, and that costs 25 rupee. So if you happen to catch it, that's the cheaper option.
Okay, so here's the deal. No private AC buses leaving directly from Trincomalee, so we're gonna take the public one.
Which is the number 45 bus, and it's very clearly marked. Head to the Trinco bus station, look for number 45, and there you have it.
Natural AC, baby. Follow? Or you spit out?
Yes. Yeah.
Spit out?
No, no.
Ah.
Yes.